Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at this. It's a fantastic inside dual cam by Botslab. This is the G980H, and I gotta tell you, it's one of the most impressive little cameras on the market. Now, as a fan of high quality cameras, I gotta tell you, this is one that you're gonna wanna check out and pick up. So we're gonna give you all the product details and help you decide if it's the right camera for you. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're gonna kick it off right now. Now, Botslab has always made installation a breeze with high quality adhesive and everything you need right out of the box. Their devices are easy to aim and easy to set up. Now, one thing I've always appreciated about this brand is how integrated and easy it is to use their devices and their app. You can see we've used the G980H, and now the 980H is easy to jump right into, and we were able to authenticate with our Apple login information. I also like the fact that all those updates, firmware and otherwise, software updates are accessible and easy to install in a matter of seconds. And as a long-time Botslab user, I gotta say that I'm very happy with the brand. They've always stood behind their products. They have great quality, reliability, and performance. So they don't just look good. They don't just have good stats, but they actually have a track record of performance. So folks, as we drive, let me give you a little information about the importance of having a dash cam. Now, this is important for interior purposes. Say if you're an Uber driver, or you're a carpool driver, and you need documentation of what may or may not have happened in an incident. That's very important. But exterior-wise, it's extremely important. Imagine you get into a car accident. Somebody cuts you off in traffic, snips the front end of your car. Well, suddenly, now the police are involved. Now the insurance company's involved, and maybe even lawyers or a judge are involved. The other person claims that you rear-ended them. They've got a neck injury. They can never work again, and they're entitled to millions of dollars in compensation. Your entire retirement plan could be wiped out in a matter of seconds. Whereas your claim is they cut you off in traffic, which is what actually happened. Which is what actually happened to me. I was stopped at a red light. Somebody cut me off, hit my car, and claimed I was moving. I was stopped. But as soon as you have a dash cam, as soon as you have the footage that you can decide whether or not you want to present to the other party, well, suddenly they can't fabricate stories. They can't make up what they want the world to think happened. And yeah, this is very critical. How many times have we had any accident and both parties will have different stories? And let's face it, the other party's story never benefits you. Well, when you have a dash cam, not only are they forced to tell the truth because they know you can prove what happened, but they can't fabricate an entire story on their behalf. I've talked with various lawyers. I've worked for a lawyer doing social media for them. I've had lawyers work for me doing social media for me. And you know what? Every time I've asked, they've told me it's absolutely critical that you have a dash cam for emergency situations. It protects you, your family, your vehicle, and your assets. Now you can multiply that by the fact that parking. You can protect your vehicle from unwanted break-ins or issues when you are monitoring parking, when you're monitoring those stoplights. A bicycle comes out, hits you while you're parked, then they sue you for your life savings. That is no longer an issue when you have a dash cam like this. One of the other things that I want to talk about is the overall quality and resolution. Now, the fact that you can put a detachable SD card, perfect. The fact that you can stream the information straight to the app, so smooth. Fast transfer back and forth makes it convenient. You're never losing footage. That's important to me as well. And the fact that the resolution on this camera allows you to see things like stop signs, house addresses, and license plates. Now, because of privacy information, we may or may not be able to show you license plates in this video, but imagine somebody bumps into your car in a parking lot, drives off, you would never know who they are. But if you can hand that license plate information over to the police, suddenly their insurance company and the police are handling it instead of you paying for the repairs to your vehicle. It's a big difference. It is very important that you have a high-resolution dash cam. So if you bought one a few years ago that doesn't have the resolution here, it's time to upgrade. And for you Uber drivers, it couldn't be more critical that you have that interior cam footage, nice high resolution to protect yourself. And when people see cameras, they're much less likely to do something dumb. I also love the fact that you've got a beautiful preview with a nice screen. You can toggle back and forth between your cameras. You've got 4K resolution, it ties into Bluetooth, and you've even got an internal microphone that you can mute for privacy or keep on for your own protection. This is truly fantastic. I should also point out that we can point the additional camera wherever we like. That gives us a lot of flexibility that other camera systems do not offer. And let's point out how important it is that it is watching people outside your vehicle. So whether they're scratching up, taking your hood ornament, or just causing general havoc, you know who's outside your vehicle, you know what's going on at all times. This is an impressive design that you absolutely need. So folks, to reiterate, this is the Botslab 4K dash cam, front and inside, upgraded for 2026. It's got that 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which means you can stream and download the videos right to your phone in a matter of minutes. HDR, IR, night vision, 3.18-inch touchscreen, GPS to where you know exactly where any footage occurs. It will record right on the video itself. And on top of that, you've got 24/7 parking mode, voice control, ride share, and Uber. This is a must-have for sure. I personally like the G-Shock sensor. So if you are in an accident, it will not only record that footage, but it'll save it, and it'll get the footage before the accident occurred to where you're covered. You have all the information you need, so you don't have to worry about lost information. The IR night vision technology is a must-have as well. Means that you can see in the interior of the cab, even in the pitch black scenarios for those folks who are out in the country. And it picks up your headlights in front of you very well, unlike a lot of the competition. This gives you a nice glare-free image in high resolution. Of course, folks, I also love the fact that it works here in Florida in the hot temperatures. They've done a great job creating a device that's good in hot or cold environments. Not to mention the driver safety and ADAS features, the car dash camera is driven by a really cool chip that uses the latest AI algorithm to give you real-time alerts of pedestrians, collisions, vehicle movement, lane departure, and headway monitoring. This gives you all the alerts you need, including driver fatigue alerts, ensuring that you are safe no matter what you do. Turn off screen. And folks, I do want to tell you that there is voice control on this as well that will help you run it and use it even hands-free. All right, folks, with that being said, Botslab has you covered. It's time to go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. If you need even more information, stick around for our up-close portion of the video for all the product details and specs. But yeah, this one's a winner. We highly recommend it. That 4K, the voice controls, the AI detection, and everything in between. A nice big screen, multiple channels. This thing is fantastic. Thanks for watching. You know we love and appreciate you, but stick around for the up-close portion of the video if you want even more. And if you're already convinced, go put it in your cart. All right, friends, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video where you get to see the product and the package up close and personal as if it just arrived. 4K front screen, 3.18 touch screen. That's very useful. You can see the full images. Voice control, built-in GPS, CES Innovation Awards, 4K dual camera. It's the G980H by Botslab. Inside dual camera. What a great design. Now, as you see here, input is 2.4 amps, 5 volt. And this is a dash cam designed by Botslab. Now, we always put the up-close portion of the video at the very end, giving you an opportunity to see the product up close and personal right out of the box. Inside the box, you can see it's well packaged, easy to understand. Now they've gone ahead and included adhesive tape. Very nice for your dash cam. They've gone ahead and included protection for that beautiful lens. AI optical lens, multi-channel dash cam. And the AI aspect to cameras is something that is truly breathtaking. What they've done with some of these cameras is so, so nice. All right, so we've got that there. You've got USB-C, one for data, one for power. And you've got your connection most likely for the camera. We're going to find that out here in a moment. And yes, they've just done a great job with a beautiful design that's built to last, and a camera that's built by a company that understands your needs as a driver. When we're talking about low light situations and scenarios, well, these guys can't be beat. There's that additional camera. Ooh, that is nice. Okay, so that's going to be at a interior side camera. I have to look to see if I've put that on right. It looks like I have. And yes, we're always excited about the up-close portion of the video to show you everything that comes in the BOX. This is going to be for getting it off of your windshield. And of course, they've done a great job here with your cable that will go into your DC outlet. In addition, I love this. I love the brand, but I love the fact that we've got our quick start guide, our recording now, our cleaning material, sticker placement, ESD sticker for the dash cam. Wow, okay, so that's nice. That's going to make it to where you don't have to put the adhesive right on your glass. And yes, a quick start guide as well. So we're going to go ahead and download the app, and we recommend that you go pick this up. A premier brand, great styling, great sophistication, one that you know you're going to love. Folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in all the land. Look at that big screen, the piano black, the nice finish, and a couple of great lenses there. Let's go ahead and pull it off for first use. Thanks for watching. You know we love you. You know we appreciate you, but it's absolutely time to get to shopping. Pick yours up today. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.